What's up, everyone? Welcome to another market forecast. I'm sorry I didn't do the market forecast yesterday. I think I mentioned to you guys on previous videos, but anyways, and this week I'm moving to Brazil on Friday, so I've been very busy uh, handling some last details of the trip. I've been living here in Portugal for 4 years, so I had a lot of things to do, transfer bills, cancel cards, sell my car, and yeah, things to sell. But anyways, so in this week I am trying to do the market forecast, but it's not my high priority on the week. Right, the trip is on Friday, so I just want to make sure that everything is right for Friday. Okay, I don't know if I will be trading today because I will be packing my luggage, checking if everything is okay. But anyways, let's continue to today's market forecast, right? So let's go to the news calendar, right? So in the beginning of the week, I marked out to you guys that we're not going to have high impact news such as NFP, CPI, PPI during this week calendar, right? So we are pretty good regarding news for the week, but either way, we're going to have 8:30 a.m. USD news, all right, high impact news, and also medium impact news, which is not good too, and 10:05 a.m. DBP news. All right, I'm not gonna be trading. I don't know if I'll trade today, but anyways, I wouldn't be trading after 10 a.m. But anyways, that's it for the news calendar. Let's go to the actual market forecast. Okay, so right now on DXY, let me just erase this. Okay, so right now on DXY, on the weekly time frame, we just reached a very tiny little fair value gap, bullish fair value gap right here. All right, which means sweeping this low. All right, on the weekly time frame. This is the daily time frame. On the weekly time frame, we swept this low, so it would be expectable to see price starting to build a bullish movement on the daily time frame, but either way, I would like to see a confirmation for that, and this confirmation would be on the lower time frame, such as the daily time frame. But anyways, so on the daily time frame, we have a bearish order block, right? Right here, no bearish order block right here, all right, which Um, in my opinion, today price may go to this bearish order block today. All right, and if it's going to pull back, if it's going to do something, I don't know, but I believe that price will move up on the XY today. All right, but there is something that is on the 12-hour time frame on Euro USD, and it is also on the XY. Oh, let me just check if it's also on the XY. Why is it not moving? All right. So 12 hour, 40 minutes. All right. So in 40 minutes, this candle is going to close and it's probably going to create a fair value gap. All right. So any um any pullback around here. All right. Let me see if it on the 4 hour. Okay, on the 4 hour we already have a fair value gap and price is testing it right now. All right. So here we have a fair value gap. We have a 4 hour order block, right? Another order block right here. Another one right here. Fair value gap right here. Anyways, so when it comes to pullback zones, I think that those two are the best ones. So today, I think we're either gonna have this movement, all right, that I just outlined for you guys here, or this pullback into this fair value gap and then coming for the lows, all right. But if I had to choose one of those, I would say we are probably going to this bearish order block, All right. But I wouldn't find it weird if we saw price coming here into this level gap and building a bearish order flow on the lower time frames and then moving down. All right. So it's a matter of paying attention of what's gonna happen. I'd like to see how price would react here. Well, anyways, even if price doesn't come down, sorry, to this source of liquidity, I think that we would still have a sell right here, all right, which will be like break even or maybe half profit anyways. Even if you don't have this movement down, any sell right here would be good, in my opinion. That's what I'm trying to say. So anyways, let's go to Euro USD. On Euro USD, on the weekly time frame, we just reached that inverted fair value gap that I was talking about in the beginning of the week that we could reach, right? And it just happened, and price has been showing very bearish reaction to this price level, all right? As you guys can see, of course, we just got into this zone on the weekly, and we are already seeing a huge wick, all right? So let's break it down to the lower time frames. On the lower time frames, daily time frame, we have a bullish order block, okay, which is pretty much the analysis is pretty much like on the XY, right? Bullish order block on the daily time frame. So price may come here to pull back and start moving up again, all right? Maybe taking out that SI and going a little bit further in this fair value gap, this weekly fair value gap. But we also have a fair value gap on the 12-hour time frame, right? And if we break it down to the 4 hour, we're going to see that we also have this fair value gap. We also have a bullish order block right here, fair value gap right here. Anyways, we have a lot of factors that makes me think that we may see some type of pullback around here, all right? So I wouldn't be selling here. That's what I'm trying to say, okay? Um, Here, is, in my opinion, a zone that we're going to have a considerable probability of starting to build upwards movement. All right. And that's it. So we are already seeing rejection right here. I would like to see this candle piercing through to believe that we're not going to see any type of rejection right there. All right. Let's break it down to the 5 minute time frame. All right. The 5 minute, we're seeing like a very bad price action right now. Price is looking very undecisive. It took this low and then came here again to the order block and then came down respecting this bearish order block. All right, as you guys can see, we have a bearish order block right here on the 5 minute time frame. Um, All right, we have this bearish order block. Yep, which price seems to be respecting right now. But if we could, what I would want to see right here for a proper pullback on this zone and not on the lower zone that I just marked out for you guys would be this. We have a 15-minute fair value gap, all right here. So I would like to see price going back into this fair value gap. So it will mean proper displacement in this highs, all right? And then price going to this sort of gap, coming down, all right, and then moving up again. And after it moves up again, I would get like a very high probability entry, all right. Actually, everything would depend on how price reacts to this travel gap, because if it closes above this travel gap or above the constant encroachment and then continues to move a little bit up to then come a little bit down, to then give us an entry, I would be already satisfied with that. Okay. So, anyways, let's see how price plays out. Let's mark the midnight open on the daily time frame. Where is it? Yes, it is right here. All right. All right. We are below the midnight open, which is good, which is very good for buys. No. Daily candle open. All right, so pay attention to how price is going to react to this regular gap. If it comes to this regular gap, all right. I don't know if price will go to this low again. Uh, it's kind of unpredictable what's going to happen right now in the marketplace, but we may have some signals that may show us what will happen today. All right, which in my opinion, if I see, let me see the 30 minute. Yeah, 30 minute is the same thing. If I see this, right, order block right here. If I see this 30 minute, 15 minute fair value gap being disrespected, I would already be considering that we're probably going to see bullish order flow. All right. So, anyways, regarding the market forecast, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please, if you like the video, like it down below. As I told you guys, I don't know if I will be trading today. I don't know if I will be even trading tomorrow, Friday. I won't be trading at all. But um, I'll keep you guys noticed. I'll keep you guys updated. Trade safe. Be aware of today's news calendar. All right. We're going to have high impact news on USD and GBP. Okay. Please, if you like the channel's content, like it down below. I hope you liked the video. Trade safe. Bye.